Get in that full shot. Welcome in. Check out this blue door. We're loving this color. We've got 3,850 square feet here. So a very large home, classic Southern style. Walk right into a beautiful long dining room there. With such large square footage, the home is listed as 6 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, although this room when you enter here, which is being used as an office, does have a closet, so I'll open this here for you, with built-ins and organization in there as well. And then right off this side is the third bathroom, which is also handicap accessible. So really this room and space here could be an additional in-law suite with that handicap accessibility there, which is awesome. Come on in over here to the great living room. Check out the details on the fireplaces here. Beautiful, beautiful designs there. Again, that's classic Southern architecture with these beautiful French doors all leading out. If you can check out that view of the pool there, which then again just sprawls out to the exterior yard that you've got, 5.75 acres again. One thing to highlight here too with this home, built 95, is that it's very clean. There's been no evidence of settling. There's not a single crack here. As you look around, kind of even at the joints there, it's just very, very clean construction, which is awesome to see here in this home. And that's just something that the sellers have really highlighted as well. When we come in here, you've got again really the whole length of the house, large kitchen. Again, lots of windows. The bay window there is awesome. They've got a little perch out there for the birds. There's a pigeon out there right now, but that's a piece there for the chickens to come up, and here this family uses it for the kids to be able to watch the chickens in the morning, which is kind of cool. We'll go out to the pool here. We didn't highlight it out in the front, but beautiful flagstone here patio, which is the same in the front. And then a really large pool, paver deck, and you really get a full surround view of the yard here. So that's the main living space. Thanks for checking us out.